ka-beauties, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leigh OnSTyle. So for today's video, it's time to do my nails. Kaya naman perfect ang pagkaka-receive ko nitong package na ito. Of course, I'm talking about Nail Addict LA gel polishes. Ayan. So this is the box that they sent me. Of course, I remove it from another box kasi dalawang box to. Okay? So, Charan! This is all. May tunog pa yun. So this is all the 8 gel polishes that I received from Nail Addict LA. Thank you so much, Nail Addict, for sending me these gorgeous, amazing colors. Actually, this is my personal choices. Gusto ko lang kasi yung mga light, not bold colors. So as you can see, from not too dark and not too light. Tama ba? Ayan. So, yun nga, hindi siya masyadong dark. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga really, really dark color. So, dun lang ako sa neutral, nude to medium dark lang. Mga ganyan. So, anyway, so as you can see, I don't have nails because pinahinga ko siya. So, lahat kailangan ng pahinga. Balat, kuko, katawan. Ikaw din, kailangan mo ng pahinga. Mukhang haggard kay Charot. Ayan. So, yun lang. Lahat kailangan ipahinga para naman inyo, nabibigyan nyo ng break. Kasi, syempre, pag laging naka-nails, hindi na nakakahinga yung ating kuko dyan. So, kailangan din ng break. Especially, I'm always doing gel nails. Ayan. So, anyway, let's go back to this color. So, I will show you all the colors that I got and how it looks like when you apply it to your nails. So, let's see what I can create playing with these colors and creating my nail design. Let's go!